So y'all, this is a homework question out of 4.2. This is number 9. And it says, can we find the future value and the interest earned if $8,906.54 is invested for 9 years at 4% compounded semi-annually and continuously? Okay, so let's do part A, y'all. We're going to use the compound interest formula. So the compound interest formula, y'all, looks like this, okay? And so what we're going to do here, oh, sorry, my kitten is running around, so you'll be here, the little bell, that's just her. All right, my principal, that's the amount of money that we got in the bank, $8,906.54. Okay, my time is going to be 9 years. My interest rate is 4% as a decimal, 0.04. And our N, semi-annually, means we're going to compound it twice a year. So y'all, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to type in 8906.54, and then 1 plus 0.04 divided by 2, raised to the power 2 times 9. Now for this part, y'all, it's strictly going to be calculator work. Okay, let me grab my calculator here. Let me get rid of that. That's something else. Okay, 8906.54. 1 plus 0.04 divided by 2 raised to the power 2 times 9. There we go. Let's hit enter. Oh, what is not right? Let me clear this out. Let's try that again. 8906.54 times, maybe that's what I need to do, 1 plus 0.04 divided by 2 raised to the power 2 times 9. Oops, sorry, let's close that off. There we go. Let's hit enter. Okay, so y'all, I'm coming up with $12,720.73. Okay, so let me write that down. 12,007. Sorry, I already forgot. Let me come back. 720.73. 720.73. Now, if we want to know how much of that is interest, remember, y'all, we already had this amount of money in the bank. So let's subtract that off. So minus 8906.54. So how much money was interest? 38.14.19. So the interest was 38.19. It was 38.14.19. 38.14.19. That's how much is interest. Now, there's the second part, y'all. So let's do the second part. We're going to do this continuously. So here's my formula. The way I'm going to do this, y'all, 8906.54. I'm still going to use this E. I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. Remember, our interest rate was 0.04, and our time was 9 years. So I'm going to enter this into my calculator, y'all. So let's clear that out, 8906.54. The way I get to my E, I'm going to hit second and the LN, okay? And my power was a 0.04 times 9, close that off, hit enter, 12,766.01 if I round to the nearest penny. 12,776.01, okay? Now again, if we want to find the interest, we're going to take this minus that number, right? So let's go ahead and minus the 8906.54. So how much is interest? 38.59.47. 38.59 and 47 cents. Okay, if y'all got any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.